Hello, family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited you're here today because we're diving into something really amazing, the art generator tools you can start using right now. Let's jump straight into the list. At top 6, we have Moescape AI, a powerful tool for creating stunning and detailed artworks for free. At top 5, it's CArt AI, perfect for dreamy and creative art generation. Coming in at top 4 is Niji Journey, a fantastic free alternative to Mid-Journey AI, especially great for anime and fantasy style art lovers. At top 3, we have Base Labs AI, offering super smooth and high quality art generations. Top 2 is Kling AI with next level creativity and an easy to use interface you'll love. And finally, at top 1, it's Leonardo AI, one of the most versatile, powerful, and beginner friendly free AI art generators available today. Now, tell me in the comments which tool you want me to make a full tutorial on, showing you the step by step process of creating beautiful AI generated art. Thank you so much for watching, family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when I drop new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep shining.